Hello and welcome once again to Top 3 TV Ghana. Today we are uncovering the best master planning companies across the country. Proper master planning is essential for creating strategic, comprehensive and forward-thinking development framework that optimize land use, infrastructure and long-term urban growth. We are counting down the top 3 companies who excel in both strategic vision and precision, crucial factors in ensuring sustainable and efficient urban development. So let's get started. Taking the third place, we have the Ghana Expert Builders. Now, Ghana Expert Builders has earned their reputation through masterful master planner that blends exceptional strategic insight with technical expertise. Their team specializes in creating high-quality, comprehensive planning solutions, ensuring urban and regional development projects that not only meet current needs but anticipate future growth. They maintain meticulous attention to detail in every phase, from initial concept to final implementation strategy. For those seeking a modern, strategic and technically sophisticated master planning approach, Ghana Expert Builders delivers exceptional results. Learn more at www.ghanaexpertbuilders.com. In a second place, we have the African Property Managers. When it comes to master planning expertise, African Property Managers stands out in the industry. They are renowned for their innovative approach to urban development, implementing cutting-edge strategic planning techniques while maintaining strict developmental standards. Their planning solution creates comprehensive, functional and sustainable environment perfect for urban, regional and industrial development. Their team excel at customizing solutions to match specific developmental requirements while ensuring seamless integration and strategic excellence. To explore their master planning services, visit www.africanpropertymanagers.com. And finally, claiming the #1 spot is the Architect Afrique. Now, Architect Afrique truly leads the field in master planning across Ghana. What distinguishes them is their unparalleled expertise in strategic development combined with their commitment to innovative urban solutions. They utilize advanced planning technologies and innovative strategic techniques to create comprehensive, forward-thinking development framework that optimize land use and infrastructure. Their proven track record includes successful projects in urban planning. Discover more of their services at www.architectafrique.com. And there you have it, folks, our top 3 master planning companies in Ghana, bringing you the very best in strategic vision and development innovation. Thanks for tuning in to Top 3 TV Ghana. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit on the bell notification icon for top recommendations across various industries in Ghana. This video was proudly brought to you by Top 3 TV Ghana, your #1 advertising firm in Ghana.